How to link your EA account to PSN or Xbox. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So open up a web browser and you want to go to ea.com. Once this website loads, you want to click on this question mark icon that you can see. Click on this icon and now click on EA Help. Now here you want to click on Login. Once you click on this option, you're going to find different ways on how you can log in. So as you can see, there is Google, Facebook, Apple ID. What you want to do next is click on either Xbox or PSN. So if you want to connect with Xbox, click on Xbox or click on PSN. So here I have clicked on PSN. Now in this pop-up box, you want to log in with your PlayStation. So enter your sign-in ID or your email address, and then you want to click on next, and like this you want to log into your PlayStation, and this is how you can link your EA account to PSN or Xbox. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.